In this video, we will walk through how to install RStudio. So what you want to do, you want to go to your Google Chrome or whichever uh, Internet Explorer you use, and we go to RStudio. So first type it in here and click on this first option here. Then we go to install R, download and install R. For our purposes, we are using R for Windows, and we go to install R for the first time. And we wait for it to be downloaded here. Once it is completed, we click on it and install. We click on next, and everything is fine right here. Next, next. So we're just keeping everything as is. Next. And we wait for it to be installed. Then we click on finish, and once that is completed, we go back and we want RStudio. Click on RStudio for Windows, wait for it. Once that is completed, we click on it, select yes, next, next, and we wait for it to be installed. Once this is completed, we click on finish, and we can go to start, type RStudio, we'll see the app, we click on it, and we want the default for this machine, which is 64-bit. Yours will be whatever it is. If you have 32-bit, it will be selected. So I click on OK, and now I have both R and RStudio installed. See you in the next one.